Hey guys, welcome back to another ATD video. Today we're going to be fixing the Siegler.
Unsketchifying.
Whoa. This is its current condition. Whoa.
Suburban seat.
Suburban seat. It goes from 6-inch pipe to, what is that, 3.5? 6 to 3.5?
6 to 4.
6 to 4.
And then 4 to probably 3.5, like you said. And
Then
there's a sticker up there. We might be able to get that one later, but
it goes outside.
uh-huh.
But, what happened last winter?
Last winter, spring-ish, when the birds started moving around, there was a bird's nest here.
Oh, I didn't know it was there.
Yeah.
Zoinks.
They kind of like come down and it built up here. It wasn't like a full bird's nest. I don't know, because another bird in the summer made a nest in there too. There's two. There's one that they got smoked out. It was all covered in soot and everything. But it was like just a bit of a bird's nest, and it was kind of sitting down here at the 90 too. So I don't think it was a full one, but I think it was just enough to kind of restrict the airflow coming out. So the plan is take that opportunity to get the correct tubing all the way out, drill a bigger hole, and then we'll put some like mesh chicken wire, something thin
To block it.
Yeah, keep the birds out and whatnot, so we don't gotta worry about that anymore. So we got excited and started doing some deleting.
Yes.
What?
Wait.
What?
Never mind. I don't.
I'm try and pull it out. She gonna go? No, Jack stand Jerry. Jack stand Jerry. Is that too close?
I may not be an athletic man.
No, yeah, I think you're right. God damn it. It's fine. Oh, there she goes. Oh, good. Some bits came out. Oh. Some stuff came out.
Disgusting.
How's the whole, we get a whole cam?
We can get a whole cam. It looks pretty holy. There's a stud right here, as Mason mentioned before. I don't know if that was on camera. That's the outside world. Whoa. It looks like a hole.
That's pretty cool. We should make it bigger.
Bigger hole. So I think I'll just start punching this until it's big enough, and then we'll be good to go.
You want an iron axe or a diamond one, or what do you want? And out. That's my free bucket day bucket. Buckets are good for getting up there.
Dude, you got 2 freaking jack stands right there. What are you talking about?
No, they're wobbly. I'm wobbly, I should say.
Come on, guy.
I'm not a good jacks. Look at this lid is amazing.
And also,
Careful, it's the wrist snapper.
could you give me a hand for scale, finger off the trigger?
6 cents edition.
She's mega.
Yeah. So I'm gonna break my wrists trying to get through that. You could cut my whole. You could open my head and do open brain surgery.
Open my head. Shout out to the ATD Garage sign, handmade. Handmade of wood.
Put it on torque or speed mode. Probably
Want
torque mode. This is gonna be interesting.
Center.
So it's a good thing we're gonna have a ring around it. You know what I mean?
You know a fancy trick?
What?
You can take the bit and put the bit against it, and then just hit the back of the drill. Gives you a good start. Well, you gotta. Gives you a ring to start in, I mean.
Sure. If your wall doesn't move as much as your...
Maybe go to 2 mode.
No, we need speed. This looks beautiful. What are you talking about?
That's gorgeous. Best thing I've ever seen in my life.
That was full beans. This is working great.
Oh, you had her. Channel your inner HVAC guy.
There we go.
Look at that.
That's about a 12-inch hole. Now,
You even tapered the edges so it enters easier.
it's
It was on purpose. I knew it.
You have me a test piece. We'll see how bad it is.
Test piece.
Yeah. Oh.
Might need a ream.
Yeah. Yeah. Slight reamage. Oh.
You don't need a ream.
He's fucking flush fit, bud. All right, we're done.
So how do
Thank
we?
you for watching.
How...
Gotta get it out now.
Now we gotta figure out how we're gonna
She's
cut
freaking airtight.
the outside and the insulation.
Ooh. Well,
Do you have a razor knife? That's your freaking Walmart special right there, if I've ever seen it. I would never buy a Walmart special knife. Dude, you're in the USMC, my guy?
yeah, dude. So what you do, well, you can see the ring here. That's why we tested it. Oh, just move it out of the way.
It's moving the insulation down here.
Yeah, we're good. It's cool out there. Alright, so outside.
You want to just shove it through the hole?
What we could probably do, I think it's going to be easier just to use the.
One of them? I don't know what that...
The air Sawzall.
Oh.
We could like. Sorry, the insulation dust is in me. We could stick the black tube in here. We might be able to just to trace it and just go around.
Right. Yeah. You should try and cut it from the inside with that Sawzall.
Yeah, that would work too.
I was fucking with you, but okay.
That would be hard. Yeah, we're gonna do a cut because we gotta get some wind in that thing. So.
And then we're gonna do a cut. No idea how you got this. Oh, something like that.
There you go.
How's she lining up there, buddy?
Just perfectly not good. But yeah. How's that look? Is that better? Or is that crooked?
It's crooked-ish, but...
Put it to straight inside, I guess, and I'll just cut it from out here. See how this goes? Yeah, sorry neighbors. Corners don't work really well. I changed places. I am Joey now. Joey's a better Sawzall-y guy.
Bud?
Oh, good.
Oh, just dandy fucking fuck me.
Oh yeah, that's r/. Hey, that worked way better there, bud.
Fuck yeah, buddy. They say not to cut towards you.
Yeah.
There's a few jagged edges over here.
A few of them, huh?
How'd that even end up in there?
I have no idea. Grab cam.
Grab cam.
Yeah, that worked much better. Let me try and give her a jam.
Just give her a fucking jam.
That looks somewhere about there.
Fucking shop's got a boner.
Oh, yeah.
No, dude, it's fine.
Is it?
It's fine. You know, we might want to just chop a little off.
Just a little bit. Maybe an inch or 2 or 6. Went to Lowe's, got some things. Got a beauty ring.
It's not going on beautifully.
Beautifully? Oh, like a glove. Look at that, it looks mint.
Gotta find the G spot.
Yep. So now you need the inner piece. Yep. So we found a sleeve.
This is gonna make us feel like it's doing something.
Mm-hmm. I think it
How
has.
did I do this? Oh, I bent that.
You need some hand tools.
You just gotta bim bam.
Oh, okay. It helps if the.
Need the fucking floor for this thing too. And you just...
Oh, dude, that looks professional from down here.
Don't go outside. She's got a 6 by 12 inch fucking exhaust tip on her. And just take this old chicken here.
Uh-oh. Oh, you uninstalled the beauty ring.
She's still beautiful. Oh, we got the little starter flame going in there. So that's got to heat up all the oil before we can do anything. But
Crank her up.
I'm going to go run outside and see if she's a
Rolling coal.
rolling coal.
We don't see any coal inside though, which is a good thing.
That's new. I mean, what?
Oh yeah. He's cheeching.
Oh, she's cheeching and chonging, dude.
Look at that full flow, boys. See it good now? Oh yeah.
Dude, that's freaking sweet.
I get a cheech cam. Let me see.
Cheech cam.
Oh yeah.
She fucking cheeching.
Right. Oh, it's making crackling noises. A way of metering how efficient it is going.
Get your
Chevy 350 temp gauge. Yeah. Don't remove this. Just sit this right on the set it right there. This thing took a tumble, so it's all kind of pissed off. You just gotta bend it right so it sits perfectly flat. Kind of like, yep, right there. And first time I fired it up, I had the needle about right here where my finger is. So
that he means like it went all the way around to there.
yeah, I had to take it off. I didn't want to break the gauge. Previously, we'd see it run about 180 to 200 on a good day last year.
And we found that we were running rich on oil, right? Now we've got it a little bit more fine tuned. We've been filtering out the oil,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
We filtered it out because they would get all kinds of heavy, gross stuff in there.
I found about, with this U-Jug, 3 gallons of oil. There's a little line on here. 3 gallons, maybe about another gallon of diesel, maybe a gallon and a half, 2 gallons, I think. I can't remember. Just basically, I put 3 gallons of oil in, however much diesel to get me up to just below the breather cap here. I put too much oil in last time I filled it up, so it's kind of full up to here right now. So we gotta
Gotta
that, let her
pop
breathe.
her every once in a while.
Yep. But I think we're good. Let's check her now. She's probably ripping.
Oh,
my God.
fuck.
Yep.
That's good.
Yeah. Too good. Alright.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you click that subscribe button because this percent of people that watch aren't subscribed. We don't actually know that number.
It's an embarrassing stat. It's like 98 point.
Oh, gorge.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Subscribe. Hit that like button if you enjoyed. We don't usually do Siegler stuff. We usually do car stuff if you're coming here from the random algorithm.
Yep.
So if you're into car stuff, if you're into Impala Restore stuff, then make sure to check out the channel. watch the rest of the videos. We got a whole playlist of all of our projects. So
Yep.
thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Peace.